Hey people, so I have made some changes. I quit my job and I have decided I want to be an engineer. So basically, I quit my job. I have moved to the capital, Copenhagen, and I have started university. Right now, I'm doing the introductory courses to get my different levels up to the requirements to start the electronics engineering. So yeah, and that is also why I haven't posted anything in a long while. I've been quite busy. But I have still been doing some of my electronics project, though they've not been moving as fast as I want to. This is one of them. This is a quadcopter project. Basically, I want to make, let's say, a test bed I want to make a quadcopter, but I also want to test out some ideas with it. So here we are. I think I'm gonna be doing some videos on my electronics project and not much else for the foreseeable future, unless someone has some suggestions, of course. I haven't seen anything really exciting stuff happening in space in there for a while, but if anyone got any ideas, I'm game, or I'm always up for procrastinating. But yeah, as I said, I think I'm gonna be doing some electronics project videos for a while. I'm gonna be doing some videos on this one because this is gonna take a while to finish, if it will ever be completely finished. And I may also do a recap of some of my former projects. I posted an unintentional video of my last one, a little solar project, because I had to share the video with someone and I made it public, and I thought, why not keep it that way. May do a video on that, and I also thought about doing some renewable energy projects this summer. So a better version of the solar one. I'm gonna do a video on the solar thing I made because I kind of want to go over where I went wrong. I'm gonna do that with this project as well, because as you can see, I've been taking it apart because I'm learning as I'm going. And I think it may be interesting to some people to see where I messed up. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna be posting a video about this in, I don't know, a couple of days, I think. Just quick intro to what I'm doing and why. And then I may be making some updates on that. But as I said, if anyone got some game related ideas, I'm all ears. Anywho, thank you for watching, and see ya.